Good evening, Tom. You look extra focused today. Did you drink 3 coffees or did you suddenly decide to get your life together?
Honestly, Mary, it might be both. I had 2 coffees and then I started thinking about my goals for the future, so now my brain is fully awake and slightly terrified.
Terrified is a good start. At least it means something is happening. How have you been, though? Feeling okay these days?
Pretty good, just trying to stay motivated. And you? You look like someone who already achieved half her goals before breakfast.
I wish. I did have breakfast, though, so that's one goal completed for the day. So tell me, Tom, since your face is glowing with future planning energy, what are your goals for the future?
Well, I've been thinking a lot about personal growth, career stability, and creating a healthier lifestyle. You know, adulting things.
Wow, that sounds serious. Are you okay? Blink twice if you need help.
I'm fine, I promise. But yeah, I want to upgrade my life a bit.
Let's start with personal growth. What exactly do you want to improve?
I want to become more disciplined. I want to manage my time better and stop procrastinating like it's a sport I'm training for.
Relatable. I procrastinate so hard sometimes that even my future self gets disappointed.
Your future self? My ancestors are probably disappointed too.
Time management is tough, but at least you're aware of it. That's the first step.
Yeah, awareness is great, but action is even harder. My goals are usually like, be productive, and then my brain replies, let's nap.
Your brain sounds like mine, but what changes are you planning to make?
I want to build daily habits, small things like reading, exercising, journaling.
Journaling. Wow, Tom, that's fancy. Are you planning to become wise and mysterious?
Not mysterious, but wise would be nice. At least wiser than last year's me.
That's a good goal. Self-improvement is a journey, not a race.
True, and I'm definitely walking, not running.
What about career goals? You mentioned that earlier.
Career-wise, I want stability and growth. I want to improve my skills, maybe try new projects, and build a future where I feel confident.
That's solid. Do you want to change jobs someday or stay where you are?
I'm open to both, staying if I can grow or moving if I have to. I want to find the path that makes me feel fulfilled.
Fulfillment is important. A lot of people stay in jobs that drain them.
Exactly. I don't want to wake up every day feeling like a robot with low battery.
Same. I want a job that challenges me but doesn't destroy me.
A perfect balance.
Speaking of challenges, do you have any long-term career dreams?
Yes, one day I want to lead a project or team, not in a bossy way, but in a supportive way.
I can totally see you as a leader. You have the calm energy of someone who would solve problems before yelling.
Thank you. I yell quietly, though.
Now let's talk about health goals. You mentioned lifestyle changes.
Right. I want to eat better, exercise regularly, and sleep earlier. Basically, I want to not feel old at 35.
Same. I get tired now after tying my shoelaces.
That's a sign we need to fix our habits, Mary.
What kind of exercise are you thinking about?
Maybe jogging or walking. Mostly walking, let's be honest.
Walking is valid as long as you're moving.
Exactly. I want to feel energetic, not exhausted all the time.
All right, my turn. My goals for the future are big and slightly chaotic.
I expected nothing less. Let's hear the Mary-style future plan.
First, I want to travel to at least 5 new countries.
5? That's ambitious. But knowing you, possible.
Travel gives me energy, new places, new food, new experiences.
I'd love to travel more too. What countries are on your list?
Japan, Italy, Norway, Canada, and maybe New Zealand.
That's an interesting mix of food, mountains, and cold weather.
Exactly. I want culture, nature, and snacks.
Fair enough.
Another goal is improving my communication skills.
You? Improve communication? Mary, you talk like a radio host already.
Talking isn't the same as communicating. I want to learn listening better.
I can help by talking slowly.
I also want to start saving money more seriously.
Ah, yes, the adult dream, financial stability.
I love spending, but I also love not being broke.
That's a powerful combination.
Do you save consistently?
I try, but sometimes my wallet and I have disagreements.
Story of my life.
We'll get better.
I have a long-term goal of starting a side project, maybe a small business.
Really? That's amazing. What kind?
Something creative, maybe digital art or handmade products.
You would be great at that.
I want independence, creative freedom, and something I can build slowly.
That's inspiring. And very Mary.
Thank you. And what about you? Any passions you want to turn into projects?
Maybe writing or coaching. Something where I can help others grow.
That fits your personality perfectly. Calm mentor vibes.
Glad you think so.
If you ever write a book, I'll be the first buyer.
Even if it's boring?
Especially if it's boring. Tom, talking about our goals today really made me feel motivated. It's comforting to know I'm not the only one trying to build a better future.
Same here. It feels good to say things out loud. It makes the goals feel more real.
And sharing them with a friend makes the journey feel less scary.
Absolutely. Our futures may look different, but we're both growing in our own ways.
Before we wrap up, I want to say thank you to everyone listening today. I hope our conversation helped you think about your goals too.
Take a moment to reflect on where you want to go. Your dreams matter, even the small ones.
Remember, progress is progress. Even slow steps count.
Exactly. And we're cheering for you.
All right, Tom, I guess it's time to say goodbye for now. Thanks for being honest and funny today.
Thank you for being chaotic, inspiring, and surprisingly wise.
To everyone listening, thank you for spending time with us. May your future be bright and full of courage.
Take care, keep moving forward, and stay hopeful.
Thank you for listening today. We really enjoyed sharing this moment with you.
Yes, and don't forget, learning English is easier when we learn together.
If you liked this episode, make sure to subscribe our channel.
Podcast English Talk, your sweet place to learn, relax, and grow every day.
Bye-bye and keep shining.